He's still 68. Always want to make sure when the homes are vacant, I mean, this home's been vacant August, September, October, November, December, January. It's been 5 months, and it's been cold. Last thing you want is to have those type of problems where the pipes burst and you've got different problems now. We're here in District Heights at the home of the late Dr. Herman Bostick, who was definitely a pioneer, a leader in the community, and an educator. Attended Morehouse College, degrees from Morehouse College, Atlanta University, The Ohio State University. Very, very well-educated man, a gentleman and a scholar. But he passed away a little while back last year. The estate has hired me to assist, and we went to church together at St. Timothy's Episcopal Church. I'm actually going to go in for the first time. I actually just got the keys. We just got clearance, and we're going to actually go in and do an assessment and just kind of start the process. So let's check it out. Thermostat up while I'm here. He's still 68. Always want to make sure when the homes are vacant, I mean, this home's been vacant August, September, October, November, December, January. It's been 5 months, and it's been cold. Last thing you want is to have those type of problems where the pipes burst and you've got different problems now. Yeah, the thing a lot of times in these situations when there aren't, children and grandchildren, and I mean, he was 98, so there really are no descendants, I guess, or no children, no grandchildren. So a lot of the things that normally would be of sentimental value to those family members, the second cousins or the third cousins or the great nieces and nephews, don't find value in those items. Hopefully we were able to find organizations that do find value in that, like the fraternity, like the universities that would find value, especially for someone like Dr. Bostick, who has contributed so much in his years to higher learning. So that's what we'll be working on, is finding new homes for some of those heirlooms. So let's check out the basement and see what we got. Quite a library. Oh, and I didn't mention he went to the University of, had a degree from the University of Paris also. In the U.S. Naval Training Academy. This is 1944, so he was born in 23. So that would have made him about 21, maybe. And needless to say, our job again is just to get the home, after we're able to navigate all of the items, then, getting the home in a position that someone, that we can still maximize the return, maximize the sales price for the estate. In some cases it's as is, in some cases we do a little bit of work, we'll find out. But most likely this home will be, once everything's moved out, the home will be sold as is, most likely. Quite a bit of prized possessions, heirlooms, antiques, books, the library, the certificates, the degrees, diplomas, awards. A lot for us to do. So, well, now the fun starts. I guess we get in, roll our sleeves up and start separating the items and contacting the various universities and the fraternity, see where we can donate what, and get ready to put the house, prepare the house for market. So this is just day one of many, but over the coming weeks we'll be working to get everything together, and at the same time, preserve the legacy that was Dr. Herman Bostick. That's, I think, going to be most important. So I'll keep you guys posted.